envision stocks as the building blocks of companies, similar to Lego pieces, but of course, for grown-ups. Wealth builders, have you ever pondered why it's crucial to learn about stocks? Let me, your king, explain why. You see, when it comes to growing your money, stocks offer incredible opportunities that extend beyond traditional savings accounts. Think of it as planting a money tree that holds the potential to bear fruit and multiply your wealth over time. By diving into the world of stocks, you gain the knowledge and tools necessary to make informed, strategic decisions that can shape your financial future. It's all about empowerment and taking control of your financial destiny. Wealth builders, understanding stocks also provide you with a unique opportunity to unlock the potential for exponential wealth growth. Unlike traditional savings accounts that offer minimal returns, investing in stocks allows your money to work for you. What a kingly way to accumulate those dollars, right? Furthermore, in today's fast-paced and ever-changing economy, adaptability is crucial, wealth builders. Investing in stocks requires you to stay up to date with market trends, global events, and economic factors that impact companies. By being aware of these factors, you can make timely adjustments to your investment strategy, taking advantage of emerging opportunities and safeguarding your portfolio during challenging times. Learning about stocks equips you with the skills to adapt, analyze, and make intelligent financial choices amidst the dynamic and complex nature of the financial world. Your king here is very certain that you want to acquire these skills. I can feel it. So, today, as your generous king, I'll provide you with tips that suit even the newest stock trade aspirant. But before we continue, I'd appreciate your support. And as your king, I ask you to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell for our tasty financial tips. Consider it my royal command for you, my devoted wealth builder, to stay updated. Now, let's return to the video. The first tip that your king will share with you is all about doing your homework, or we could say starting with your research. Wealth builders, imagine you're about to purchase a gadget or a piece of clothing. You wouldn't simply choose the first one you come across, right? You'd want to determine if it's worth the money, if it's of good quality, and if it fits your needs. Investing in companies is somewhat similar, but on a much larger scale. Before deciding to invest your hard-earned money in a company's stock, it's crucial to gather information about that company. Consider it a research project. You'd want to learn about their financial health, products or services, and market trends. Wealth builders, when it comes to the financial health, you'll need to check if the company is generating profits or incurring losses. Are they managing their finances well? Just as you wouldn't lend money to someone who's consistently in debt, you might not want to invest in a company that's financially struggling. Another aspect involves their products or services. Wealth builders, you must be aware of what the company does. Do they create innovative gadgets, offer delicious snacks, or provide valuable services? It's like understanding what you're purchasing before making a decision. If a company is renowned for producing high-quality items, that's a positive sign, and take of note of that. Lastly, consider their market trends. Picture yourself selling ice cream. You'd want to determine whether ice cream sales surge during the summer, right? Similarly, with companies, you'd aim to gauge their performance in current market trends. Are consumers buying their products or services? Is the company expanding or contracting? So basically, these are the crucial factors you need to keep in mind. Wealth builders, conducting this research assists in making intelligent decisions. As your king, I wouldn't want you to invest in a company about to go out of business or involved in activities you don't support. Just as you wouldn't purchase a gadget without assessing its worth, you shouldn't invest in a company without comprehending its essence. So, in simple terms, doing your homework before investing means digging into these important details to reduce the chance of making a bad investment and to make sure you're putting your money into something you believe in and understand. The next tip revolves around diversifying your portfolio. Wealth builders, consider your investments as a collection of eggs, and the market is the basket. Placing all eggs in one basket equals significant risk. I mean a really big risk, wealth builders. Imagine if the basket falls, all your eggs will all sadly break. Diversification is like having multiple baskets. You spread your eggs across these baskets, so if one basket has trouble, your other baskets can still hold up and prevent you from losing everything. It's like having a backup plan for your money, and I know that is something all of us desire, isn't it? Now, wealth builders, you might also employ various types of baskets, some for stocks, others for bonds, and perhaps even some for other assets like real estate. This approach, wealth builders, reduces reliance on a single avenue, enhancing the safety of your investments. Does your King's point make sense? Alright, diversification isn't solely about varied asset types. It also involves different regions. Just as you'd explore different cities during your journey, contemplate international investments. Economic conditions differ by country, so a blend of global investments can provide added safeguarding against a single nation's economic decline. Now, your King here wants you to recall that while diversification lessens risk, it doesn't eradicate it completely. You'll still need to monitor your investments, tweak your strategy when necessary, and routinely rebalance your portfolio. Just as your journey transforms, so should your investment plan. Ultimately, diversification is your way of building a resilient financial roadmap that can navigate the twists and turns of the market, helping you reach your investment goals with more confidence. But before I discuss the last tip, let your King ask a fun question. How many of you have experienced the thrill of quick wins or the frustration of sudden losses in the stock market? Share your stories in the comments, wealth builders, and let's chat about how a patient, long-term approach can reshape your financial journey. Now, let's get back to the video. For the last King's tip, I suggest that you all should think long-term. Wealth builders, in the realm of investing in stocks, the saying, "good things come to those who wait," holds particularly true. Think of it as nurturing a garden. Just as you can't expect flowers to pop up overnight, your patient efforts over time create a picturesque landscape. When it comes to your money, embracing a long-term mindset is a lot like being the calm gardener. Imagine you've just planted a young tree. Instead of hovering over it, checking its growth every hour with a sense of worry, you provide it with sunlight, water, and nutrients, allowing nature to do its thing. Similarly, when investing in stocks, the market experiences short-term ups and downs. Just think of them as sudden gusts of wind. Wealth builders, I'll tell you this as your King. This approach not only shields you from the emotional ride of market turbulence, but also gives you the strength to weather the highs and lows confidently. Picture it like having a sturdy house that endures changing seasons. Rather than constantly fiddling with your investments, keeping your eyes on distant goals increases your chances of achieving your financial dreams. Although it's tempting to get caught up in quick wins or losses, remember, wealth builders, that your financial journey is more like a marathon than a sprint. There you have it, my loyal wealth builders. If you found this video valuable, please like, subscribe, and share with fellow financial dreamers. Your King here appreciates that. Until next time, and always remember, Pride members, life is short and it's too easy to be average. Make a change today.